Hi, in this video I will unbox the RØDE NT2-A microphone, and we're gonna see what's inside this box and what you can expect to get. So here it is. At the moment, tape right here. Just going to try to open it. So I need to cut this tape right here. Okay, so instead of cutting it, I'll just try to open it, and that just come out. Now let's see what is inside this box here. So over here we got a instruction manual. Seems like this box has been tampered by somebody. So it's even got a stickers. It's got a 10-year warranty. So I just ordered this on eBay a week ago. And here is the microphone on the side here. So I'm just going to open it up. So inside this bag is the microphone. So there it is. That's the microphone right there. And then there's a bag inside here. And there's also the cables in here. And over here we've got a box, shock mount with pop shield. So inside this box here, there's a handle you can open. So there's open up. So I'm just gonna open this one here. So I'm just gonna drag this one out. So just gonna open up this, take this shock mount out. So that's the bag right there. Has been pushed in. So I'm just gonna take it out. Take this shock mount out of the bag so we can take a look at it. So there it is. Something over here. So that's the shock mount right here. So that's a RØDE shock mount. And that's it. So that's everything inside the box. So you got the microphone, the bag, the shock mount, and the cables, and just instruction manual. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.